Hi guys, welcome to Kulla To Financial. My name is Ronald, and today we are going to be talking to you about how to shop for life insurances. Now the reason why we decided to make this video is because after being in the industry for almost 10 years now, we've found that information like this really helps. Too many people out there don't understand this topic as well as they should, even though it's such an important one, right? So this is meant to be a resource for you for you to be able to do a little bit of personal research, to better understand the topic. We're also going to give you a few additional resources and links that can help you out in better understanding this topic for you and your family, okay? Now, when it comes to shopping for life insurances, the first place you should start is really figuring out why you even need this. Okay, what are you trying to protect? Do you have financial goals, financial obligations? Do you have family? Do you have loved ones? Or are you just trying to protect yourself and your livelihood and your ability to earn income? What is your reasoning? Why do you need these products? Now, that's number one, okay? Once you've figured out what it is that you're trying to protect and your why, then you move on to, well, what can happen with my goals? What can happen to those things that I'm trying to protect and provide for, right? Now, that's identifying the potential threats. Now, a common hypothetical, I guess, would be if I had a family, 2 little kids, well, I actually do have 2 little kids, so say if I were to die prematurely, what then? Well, in that situation, I would want some life insurance to protect my family against my death, just in case I can no longer go earn a living and provide for their education, pay the mortgage, pay the expenses, any of that. I would want some money there to help take care of those things if I can't be there to do it myself, right? Some additional reasons would be also to provide funding for retirement. Those are all things that you can choose to put into or exclude from your financial plan when it comes to thinking about life insurance, right? But threat number 1, life and death, right? Now, a common question there on after that I get a lot is, well, Ron, what if I don't actually die? What if I just get really, really sick? Like if I had a cancer or a heart attack, well, is my family going to be taken care of at that point if I can't go back to work right away, if I need to take that year off, 2 years off, whatever the case may be, whatever the illness may be? Well, that's why there's critical illness insurance, is just in case something happens to your health to the point where it's really bad and it takes you off your rhythm. Critical illness insurance is designed to come in then to provide a little bit of funding for you to recover and go back to work, right? Now, with that being said, I also get the question there on after, well, Ron, what if I end up sick or hurt and I don't ever recover? I don't go back to work. Well, that's what the third category is for. Disability income insurance. So it's just that. If something were to happen to you, you basically want to make sure in your policy there's a provision that provides coverage for your income. It's to make sure that your lifestyle or whatever lifestyle you would want to have if something like this happens to you is being properly funded for, right? So just a little bit of an analysis, a little bit of thinking, like how much money do I actually need as a guarantee that goes on the disability income insurance policy. So basically, potential threats and the 3 pillars of insurance products, okay? Life, critical illness, and disability. Now, once you understand that, then next thing to do is do the numbers. Figure out exactly how much money your family would need if you were to die prematurely. Figure out exactly how much money you would need to provide for that recovery period if you do end up critically ill. Again, heart attack, stroke, cancer, those are the more common ones. And exactly how much money you would need on a monthly basis if you can't return to work, right? So how you do that, how you do the numbers, well, we actually have on our website a few financial calculators you can use to calculate this for yourself, right? So let's just load that page there. Scroll down to the comprehensive life insurance analysis. This is a pretty good starting point to help you account for everything that's actually a part of your financial life, right? So you do things things like calculating how much money, how much insurance, how much inflation, how much investments you have, all these different things needs to be a part of your analysis. We recommend you do this as just an exercise to help you understand some numbers that you would probably need to effectively build a proper portfolio. But one thing that I do want to mention to you guys out there is please do not do this and then go decide to buy the exact insurance amount. There may be a few things you're actually missing. So again, once you do this exercise, please do seek out some professional help. This again is really just meant for your personal resource so you can understand the topic a little bit better. But definitely do the numbers, and once you have the numbers, get someone to help you fact check, okay? So do the numbers. Now, after you do the numbers, what do? Step number 4 is buy the products. Make sure that protection is there when you need it. Don't put it off. Don't decide to buy it at the right time when you can afford it, because the reality is every day that you don't have a proper insurance portfolio, these threats can actually have a very long-lasting effect to you and your family. So again, follow the steps. Figure out why, identify the threats, do the numbers, and buy the products. If you need us to help you out with any of that, please do click on our link right here and reach out to us, whether through our direct page. We're going to have our phone number edited in around here in this space right here. We're going to get our editor to put it in for you. Make sure that you can reach out to us if you need any further assistance, okay? Follow us on Facebook, check out our website, play around with our calculators, and we'll see you next time.